Thank you for viewing. Today we have a bespoke. We're going in with a custom-made pattern, and this is how the top came out. I added a cheetah print tie string. I love the open back, so you can see them yummy rolls in the back. Yes, yes. I'm very proud of myself, feeling self-accomplished. Yes. Look at that. Look at that smile. Happy. I made something for myself. This is another one at a smaller size that we do have for sale. All right. Coming in next, we have a skirt. We need something to wear at the bottom. I picked a skirt, but we're going to lay the fabric across our bodies to see how we want to execute this. All right, coming in next, we're about to get rid of that extra piece we had on the side to give ourselves a straight hem. Okay, now we're coming in with some pockets. I was feeling the idea of cargo pockets on a sweatpants skirt. I was screaming baddie all day long. All right, let's get into those pockets. And then we're going to sew them down. Pull out our fabric properly, which would mean get it all even and lay it out. And pin those pockets down. Don't eye those pockets, but pin them down. All right? Alrighty, let's add a hem. And we also need something to hold it up, right? So let's add a wide elastic. I forgot what to say. Wide elastic. It's going to give when it gives. You'll see. All right, let's straighten that fabric out. Get it all even so we can pin those pockets down. Before we sew them, do not eye the pockets. We don't want no wonky lopsided pockets, okay? We want them pretty straight, pretty even, pretty sturdy, all right? Now look at that, even pockets. Don't that look nice? Don't that look nice? Just giving body. Oh. All right. Ooh, open. And they're functional pockets as well. All right, and we're about to pin our flaps, which will be the top of our pockets. Let's get into it. Good job. And now we see what it looked like with our finished pockets. Look at those pockets. A perfect pockets. They were pinned down, cut out properly. Look at that. Bow, ow, baddie, baddie pockets. Mm-mm-mm. Outfit for a baddie. We need some baddie accessories, don't we? We need some accessories. Can't go out with just a plain Jane skirt, even though it's a sweatpants cargo skirt built for a plus size baddie, just like who? Me and you? Yes. And we ready to let them butter rolls hang out because what? It's always fun in the sun. We need sun all over, baby. We ain't hiding. Okay? All right. So I had a choice of a silver and black chain, and I have some studs. Those are matching my personality. That's my favorite. A love chain. I felt like the silver chain wouldn't pop. That black pops. And we're going to place those studs all over. Alrighty, get into it. And then we're going to have our finished result in just a moment. The reveal, the applause. Get ready for that drum roll. Here are our finished results, and no, we're not afraid of taking and snapping pictures in public places. Like, follow, subscribe, and share.